In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download Microsoft Windows 11 and 25H2 and install it. Let's get started. Open any browser of your choice, as I always say, then head on to, or you just type Windows 11. Let's type Windows 11 and hit enter. So go to Microsoft, the first link that you see. Now scroll down, skip this first one, and come and select your ISO. Select this one. So after the selection, you confirm. So after the confirmation, you have to choose your language. So depending on the language that you speak, you select your language. So I will select English, USA, or you can select English International, then confirm. Once you confirm, it will bring you to this page. Just click on the download and start download. I've already downloaded, so I won't download it again. As you can see, I've already downloaded, so I won't download it again. So once we finish downloading, it's 7 point something gig. It's very huge file. If we have a fast internet connection, we'll be able to download it in just a minute, just 5 or 2 minutes, depending on the speed of your internet. So once you finish downloading, you have an ISO image just like this, Windows 11. This is the latest version of Windows that has been provided to the public. It's on their website. It's a clean Windows. It has nothing. Does not be integrated with anything. This is a pure Windows 25 HD released to the public. So this is how you can get your ISO. Once you have your ISO, you can burn it, or you can use to also make a bootable disk with a pen drive. So with this 7 point something gig, almost 8 gig or something, I think if you have a 32 gig drive or a 64 gig drive, you'll be able to make a USB bootable and start to install. So this is how you can download and new Microsoft Windows 11 onto your machine. In the next steps, I'll show you how you can install it on a virtual machine. I'm using my machine right now. I can use so I'll show you how you can install it on a virtual machine. If you found this useful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe or follow me or share or recommend my videos to other people. They might find it useful. Thank you. See you next time.